Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Man, we got to be crazy. We are giving you guys 850 business credit, the entire course. All right. And we're adding it at no additional charge to our 850 Club Elite membership. All right. And by the way, you also get the 850 Club Elite courses when you become an 850 member as well. So that's two ways to get business credit on us. All right. You can either just become a regular 850 Club member. All right. Or you can become, an 850 Elite member. All right. So this is going to last until the end of the month, which is, of course, on Tuesday. So you have until Tuesday to take advantage of this special. All right. So again, it's at no additional charge. For those who don't know, our 850 Club Elite membership is $24.99 a month. And of course, that's at this time. All right. So, but you get our home buying course, our rental property buying course, how to buy a car, how to improve your credit score if you want to do it yourself. It's our do-it-yourself personal credit building kits. Okay, so it gives account suggestions, the game plans, the dispute letters, everything you need to improve your personal credit score, and now coming with business credit. All right, so we want to see you guys build those business lines of credit, get those business credit cards, get those vendor accounts. Stop putting everything inside your personal name, guys. You need to make sure that you have everything in place for business credit. You can do this. You most definitely can do it. You just need the right game plan, and our game plan can most definitely show you how to do this. If you're looking to get the fuel cards, if you're looking to get, different lines of credit with major brands, major corporations, stop buying computers for the office using your personal money. Okay. You don't have to do all of this. You want to make sure everything is lined up properly. All right. So that's how you want to do certain things. Okay. So of course you can do that. All you got to do is become the 850 Club Elite member. It's there waiting on you. See you guys inside the 850 Club Elite. Welcome to 850 Club.